Chinatown in Singapore is a colorful, crowded enclave that encapsulates the rich cultural heritage of the Chinese community in the Lion City. It brims with the legacy of Chinese immigrants. It's full of ancient temples, bustling street markets, and modern culinary delights. Amidst the towering skyscrapers that define Singapore's skyline, Chinatown offers a glimpse into a bygone era, a place where the past and present coexist in delightful harmony. Let's go for a walking tour with 360 degrees traveling to Chinatown in the City of Lions. But before we jump into the video, please hit the subscribe button and show us some love and support. Spanning several streets and blocks in the heart of the city, this historic district is a mixture of tradition and modernity, where ancient temples stand tall amidst sleek skyscrapers, and age-old customs thrive alongside contemporary trends. Step into the maze of narrow streets and be transported to a world of sights, sounds, and aromas. The air hangs heavy with the enticing fragrance of satay and steaming dumplings, wafting from the numerous hawker stalls that line Chinatown Food Street. Here, amidst the cacophony of sizzling woks and chattering crowds, you can embark on a culinary adventure, savoring the iconic Hainanese chicken rice, a dish so beloved it's considered Singapore's national dish, or indulging in a bowl of comforting wonton noodles. Chinatown's soul resides in its architectural heritage. Rows of restored shophouses, with their colorful facades and intricate details, speak volumes about the area's rich history. Many have been repurposed into trendy cafes, art galleries, and boutique shops, offering a delightful juxtaposition of old and new. Take a moment to admire the architectural marvel of the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, a majestic structure adorned with intricate carvings and statues that embody the essence of Tang Dynasty architecture. Its opulent interior, designed in the form of a mandala, serves as a sanctuary for prayer and reflection. Explore the adjoining museum, where ancient artifacts and interactive exhibits unveil the fascinating history of Buddhism. No visit to Chinatown is complete without exploring its bustling street markets, where vendors peddle a dizzying array of goods. Traditional shophouses with their colorful facades line the streets, housing a plethora of shops selling everything from souvenirs and trinkets to herbal remedies and traditional Chinese medicine. The air is filled with the aroma of exotic spices and freshly cooked delicacies emanating from the numerous street food stalls and eateries that dot the area. From handcrafted ornaments and intricate textiles to jade jewelry and antique artifacts, there is something to pique the interest of every shopper. Bargaining is a time-honored tradition here, and visitors can engage in friendly haggling to snag the best deals. A testament to Singapore's religious harmony, Chinatown boasts a unique streetscape where a Buddhist temple, a Hindu temple, and a mosque stand shoulder to shoulder. Each place of worship is a masterpiece in its own right, showcasing the rich tapestry of faiths that have flourished in Singapore. Don't forget to take a moment to marvel at the vibrant hues and intricate carvings that adorn the Sri Mariamman Temple, the oldest Hindu temple in Singapore. Beyond the historical landmarks and culinary delights, Chinatown offers a treasure trove for those seeking unique finds. Explore the labyrinthine lanes lined with shops selling traditional Chinese wares. Seek out silk garments shimmering with intricate embroidery or lose yourself in the world of traditional Chinese medicine shops filled with curious herbs and remedies. If you're an art enthusiast, delve into the vibrant art scene at Crater Air Road, where independent galleries showcase the works of local and regional artists. A visit to Chinatown wouldn't be complete without experiencing the vibrancy of the Chinatown street market, a hive of activity that comes alive in the evenings. Rows upon rows of stalls overflow with an enticing array of trinkets, souvenirs, and local handicrafts. Here, you can bargain for a piece of hand-painted silk or a pair of elaborately embroidered slippers, taking home a unique memento of your Singaporean adventure. Chinatown is more than just a historical district or a bustling tourist destination. It's a living, breathing community where the spirit of the past thrives alongside the dynamism of the present. It's a place where generations-old traditions are meticulously preserved, yet readily adapted to the evolving cityscape. So, delve into the heart of Chinatown, wander through its labyrinthine streets, and allow yourself to be fascinated by its rich tapestry of history, culture, and vibrant energy. From the aroma-filled hawker stalls to the majestic temples, every corner offers a unique experience, a glimpse into the heart and soul of Singapore. Thank you all for joining us on this amazing journey. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more amazing videos. Until we meet again with more amazing videos. Stay safe and happy exploring.